Introducing the Stratos Mini ITX mobo SFX PSU gaming PC case, a compact powerhouse designed to make maximum impact in a minimal footprint. Coming in at just 0.7 cubic feet, this mini PC is perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts who appreciate both form and function without sacrificing performance. Its striking design features 3 metal blades adorning the front glass panel and a sleek glass side door, creating an aesthetic that impresses from every angle. One of the standout features of the Stratos Mini is its customizable lighting. With 6 different Halo RGB fan color options available, you can set the mood of your desktop to match your gaming style or personal preference. The pre-installed ARGB fans operate between 600 and 2000 RPM, offering dynamic control of your system's thermal performance, while the dual-mode 3-pin 5-volt software and remote controller make adjustments incredibly user-friendly. The case is engineered for serious performance. Its exceptional airflow design ensures advanced cooling even in prolonged gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The robust construction includes 4mm tempered glass, which is up to 4 times stronger than standard glass, minimizing risks of breakage and ensuring that both you and your components are protected. Inside, you'll find expansive compatibility with dimensions of 435mm in length, 170mm in width, and 325mm in height, and a generous GPU clearance up to 347 by 55 by 125mm. This makes the Stratos Mini a capable companion for the latest graphics cards and other high-performance components. Real-life user experiences indicate that the Stratos Mini excels in balancing cutting-edge design with practical usability. Users appreciate the meticulous stress testing and lifetime technical support provided by empowered PCs, assembled in the USA. The inclusion of front panel ports, 2 USB 3.0 Type-A, and 1 3.5mm headphone jack ensures seamless connectivity for all your peripherals. While the case offers excellent airflow and robust construction, potential drawbacks might include limited internal space for future expansion compared to larger cases. However, if a downsized gaming rig is what you seek, this becomes less of an issue and more of a thoughtful design choice. Compared to its competitors, the Stratos Mini stands out due to its premium build quality, attractive customizable lighting, and solid cooling performance. Tips for maximizing its potential include regularly updating software controls to take full advantage of the RGB features and ensuring proper cable management to optimize airflow. In summary, the Stratos Mini ITX mobo SFX PSU gaming PC case is a highly recommended solution for gamers and tech enthusiasts seeking a compact system that does not compromise on performance or style. This case is tailored for those who desire a striking, high-performance mini rig with customizable aesthetics and reliable cooling, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned builders alike.